first video. So what we're doing today is I don't know, basta just watch the video, guys. Translate this into Filipino, okay, guys. If I said it to you in English, you translate it in Filipino, okay? So guys, if you're Filipino, go in here, but this is Filipino in English. Go. Translate it to Filipino. How are you? Yeah, translate that. You're done. And are you good? Translate that. Done. Now I like your hair. Translate that. Okay. You're done? Okay. Now we're going to Filipino. Translate it in English. Kamusta ka na? Translate it in English. Okay. Done? Okay. Translate this into English. Guys, I will speak Filipino today because I'm Filipino. I learn about English, but I live in Philippines. I don't live in USA. So, guys, ito ang gagawin natin, ha. So, nung tinranslate ko yun dito, you know that game it you translate it into okay. Ito na muna, guys, ang gagawin natin. Magkakawa ko ng edit, guys. Tsaka panoorin nyo pa rin palagi video ko. Iibahin ko na pati pangalan ko, guys, para alam nyo na ako yung nagbibideo. At sana din, guys, kahit konti lang, guys, magkaroon lang naman ng 50 subscriber. Ayun lang yung goal natin, guys. Magka 50 subscriber, ha. Hindi mag-goal sa kanya. So guys, ang goal natin 50 subscriber para magka-live na tayo, guys. Magla-live na tayo pag may 50 subscribers na ako. Parang guys, grade 4 na ako ngayon. Mamaya matutulog ako, gagawa ako assignment. Ang goal natin, guys, pumasa. Okay. Pasado kayo. Kung anong grade kayo, punta lang kayo sa school. Hindi mag-goal kayo. Baka goal nyo si Gracie. So guys, that's it for today's video. Always watch my videos, always subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.